Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome back to Krucy does gardening and stuff. Um, Today I'm going to be planting some garlic. These are hardnecks. It has a scave that kind of grows up the center, compared to softneck garlic, which doesn't have the hardneck there. Um, Usually, when you see braided garlic in the stores, it's usually with the soft-neck garlic that they do it with, because the hard neck you can't really. It would probably be kind of difficult to braid them. Um, and usually in the warmer climates, you'll usually grow the hard neck garlic compared to the soft neck, which is usually grown in the southern climates or the warmer climates, or I guess areas that have a longer warmer period. So this year I got from a gardening store. Um, you could probably go to a organic store, or to get the organic garlic from there also, and maybe try to grow it that way too. So what you do is basically just break them open. If it wants to break open, 1 second. Just breaking the paper here. Just want to divide the cloves. I don't think that one's gonna work out too well. Like, just broke one. Let's toss that in compost. So you just split them like this. And you can see the scave, or the hard neck, coming down to the bottom to the root section. If it's a soft neck, instead of having this hard stem, you'd have more garlic growing in the center here. Compost. But I already sort of made some holes. Just stick them in about 1.5 inches down. Cover them good. What you want to do is the part that was stuck to the bottom, when you're taking them apart, that part you put in first, and the pointy part you have facing up, because the bottom part is where the roots come from, and when your plant grows, it starts growing up from the top, from the pointy part. So I have the second one here. When you're planting them, you want to have the soil nice and loose. Yeah, you don't want it to be compacted or hard. So at least that way, when they grow, it's going to be easier for them to kind of spread the roots and come up. And when you put them in the ground, you want to keep this paper, the paper skin on. hopefully it'll grow, even though small sections come off. But I guess we'll find out next spring. You usually want to plant the garlic in fall or late fall before the freezing starts, so at least it'll have time to I guess adjust in soil and start growing a bit and collecting energy inside the clove. I hope it's not too late. I hope it's not too late to plant them either. It's October 30th, not 31st. The 31st is tomorrow. It's October 30th, just north of Montreal. So just crossing my fingers that next summer or next spring they'll start growing up. So it looked easy enough that you just, I guess, to plant them, you just break the cloves apart and you put the bottoms down that were connected on the bottom, and you put the pointy parts facing up, and you just lightly cover them with the soil. You don't want to push too hard down. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.